Di. Ayan, doon. You need to collect it from the cactus.
No, why not?
You cannot from the cactus in there. And you need it from the cactus.
It's spicy. The cactus.
So you serve it from the cactus. You know the one, diba? A big tomato. It's so good. You don't blueberry I have. There is such a blueberry.
The border is different.
The back is different. The normal.
Look, this one is the picture.
What's the same face? No, I told him, it's the same face, it's the same face, it's the same face, the same face. But you didn't upgrade the back.
Look, golden speaker.
I saw it. What is the mirror?
The mirror has got a vamp.
The
Mirror.
mirror and how you can you see
Without the zombie.
what is it?
No more.
You did show the one with the one? Then
Oh, I didn't notice that my form are green, but this one's are purple.
and also two of my big, the blueberry. Then you better say please.
The sea carrot. That's your friend? And he's a noob.
There's not much money. Oh, and
Thank you. Said and no. MP. 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 N. Because MP is no problem.
beautiful.
So, that guy, I think he'll give you that. I think he'll give you that.
And being kind. Yeah. Oh.
And he gives it to somebody. That one is a dragon fish. The one purple and green.
Kind about. And the big fish friend. Bird. Attack on murder. Because it's a feminine. Again. the filter can have coffee. You? Okay.
But mine is red.
Diba?
Mm-hmm.
Upgrade? Oh, the monkey.
It's with Andrea. Andrea Kwan.
My leg, Mama.
The hell?
In my leg.
Andrea, what you did?
My leg.
Whew.
In my leg. You know what the coconut seed? It's here, the coconut.
I know, because I know. I already know the white. Look my shoulder.
You don't know how to get the coconut. It's so long to get. This is blueberry. Oh my garden. Look, like how many blueberry I have? Look, like everywhere. Four sets of blueberries. I have more blueberries. And I will put all plants then. Let me get all this. Oh my god. I never get a golden strawberry in my whole life. I never get. No, I finally get. I get a golden strawberry. I just 14,000. Grape. What do you know this?
Mm-hmm.
In the first place. And this is like a mango, diba?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay. Then here. Go away there. What? Look how many strawberry will have. What's that? Salad. Yeah. But then there's a big custard.
Mm-hmm.
But mine is so tiny. Is that a new upgrade? I got now 2. I cannot put 2 in the custard. So wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, I got that from the custard. So because of the custard. What's wrong with the custard? It's big. Go, go.